love it? You gonna push your mower in the snow?
Yeah. And he's messy. Look, he's messy.
He's messy, yeah. He's got snow all over him.
And he cleaned him.
Gonna clean him?
Yeah.
Good,
I cleaned him, Dad.
good job.
No, he's fixed.
Huh? He's fixed?
Yeah.
Oh,
Look.
good. Good job.
And there's more snow.
Yeah.
Look, I got snow.
You got snow on your hand, yeah.
And the mower.
That was from the mower, yeah.
And what's got in there, Dad? What's got in there?
Grass.
Oh.
Oh, into a big pile of snow. Push him in the big pile of snow. Oh, oh.
Look at him.
Yeah, look at him. He's eating up snow. He's eating it. Push him. Yeah, his mouth opens. He's got a mouthful of snow.
When squeezing the sharp teeth.
He's got sharp teeth.
No. He's not going in there.
No?
Oh, where's that?
I hear a big truck
Where?
down the street.
That one?
Down there. Okay, we're gonna say goodbye for now. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.